Well, hello everyone. Kind of a rainy, cool day here in Alabama. Just got back from my folks' place, celebrated Thanksgiving with the family. Had a good time. It's kind of that lull period between Thanksgiving and Christmas here at home, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to send out my video Christmas card, wishing everyone a very Merry Christmas and a joyous and Happy New Year. As you know, it's been kind of a tough year for me with doing my prostate surgery and losing Charmaine. But managed to get some good traveling in. Had a good time. Got some great trips coming up. January we're going down to Texas and seeing my sister's place. Going to fit the Kentucky Bourbon Trail in here somewhere. Get out in the RV and go to Louisville and Lexington. February we've got the Southern Caribbean trip coming up out of San Juan. May we have the Alaskan trip. In October we have the Canadian snowbird trip, and in between we'll do some RV traveling and see Utah and some other places. So still got some trips to plan, still working out the bugs in a few, but it should be a great year. Before we go, I need to show you the gift that Charmaine's sister Sheila sent me in the mail. It's just fantastic. Hold on. Here's the quilt that Sheila sent me. The backing is Continents of the World. Just a nice fabric. On the corner here she has the saying taken from Charmaine's memorial video. Cherish these beautiful memories as life is short and the road is long. Until you're reunited again. Always know she loved you. Thank you, Sheila. Just a beautiful quilt. It's just a labor of love. On the inside she took Charmaine's t-shirts and ball caps and cut out the logos, stitched them all in the quilt. Just gorgeous. Panama Canal from our cruise there. Sweet Tater Festival here in Coleman, London, Cozumel, Smith Lake, Belize, Big Bend, Texas, Grand Cayman. Just gorgeous. Texas. What a great idea. Thank you so much, Sheila. So again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Get out and make those memories while you can. Enjoy life, and we'll see you later.